In this video, we're going to talk about how to find the exact values of inverse trig functions. So inverse trig functions will look like this. They'll have a little -1 right there. So this written as sine -1 1/2 is what is the inverse sine of 1/2. So this means what angle whose sine is 1/2. So this means sine of what is equal to 1/2. So we know that the sine of pi over 6 is equal to 1/2. So the inverse sine of 1/2 is equal to pi over 6. So when you're looking at what quadrant it could be in, remember that the inverse sine is restricted from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So your answers have to be in these two quadrants. Cosine of -1 is restricted from 0 to pi. So for cosine, it'll have to be in these two quadrants. And the inverse tangent is restricted to negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So it'll be in the first or the fourth quadrant. So let's work through some examples. So if we have the inverse cosine of negative square root of 3 over 2. So if we write this, we're looking for cosine of what gives us negative square root of 3 over 2. So if we're looking at our quadrants, and we have all students take calculus, and we know that we can only be in these two quadrants, we know we must be in this second quadrant where the cosine is negative. So square root of 3 over 2, the reference angle for that would be pi over 6. So in this case, the cosine of 5 pi over 6 is equal to negative square root of 3 over 2. So that means that the inverse cosine of negative square root of 3 over 2 is equal to 5 pi over 6. So let's try a inverse tangent of negative square root of 3. So we're looking for the tangent of what gives us negative square root of 3. So let's again figure out what quadrant we have to be in. So for tangent, we're restricted to the first and fourth quadrant, so we must be in the fourth quadrant where tangent is negative. So we know that the reference angle, because of the square root of 3, will be pi over 3 so we will have 5 pi over 3. So the inverse tangent of negative square root of 3 is equal to 5 pi over 3.